Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. And for almost 4 years now, I've been full-time in my Class C RV with my martial arts cat Ninja, who's evil, and out in the forest right now as we're boondocking like I do 99% of the time. But I'm cooking up some red potatoes in my air fryer, and I'm going to let you know how I do it and what I like. Okay, and for a quick meal, we're going to be using the air fryer with our 3,000 watt lead time inverter. Of course, those only puts out like 960 watts. We're going to do several red potatoes that I've already washed and going to be cutting up with that knife. Little salt and a little spray. I can't say if there's a better one out there or not, but it does the job. Spray on the potatoes once they're cut up, and then we'll put it in the air fryer. So as I slice them up, put one in at a time after slicing it up, do a little spray, a little salt. Then on to the next potato. See, filled up that whole basket and didn't even have room for these two. So let's get started. Okay, so closest thing this says is French fries, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 minutes. I think I'm going to go ahead and set it for 390 for 20 minutes. And then I'll probably end up rotating them a little bit and cook it for another 10. And then, because we can't just have carbs, I'm going to add in the remainder of my bacon, either on the last time or maybe once the potatoes are out, and have some crispy, thick bacon. Okay, we've got the air fryer connected there. Just enough room. Let's get up to the lead time remote. You want to turn that on. Good. Everything's looking perfect. Look at that output. 60 hertz, 120 volts. Perfect. 14 degrees Celsius, a little chilly. Perfect sine wave. And yeah, my battery's only at 3/4 because it is first thing in the morning. But let's get to that 390. Let's go ahead and let's do 18 minutes to start with. And we hit start. And we come back to the lead time inverter, and we see it's drawn about 870 watts. It's okay. This is a 3,000 watt inverter with a 6,000 surge capacity. I can't talk enough about lead time. I know I just did a review on this inverter, but hey, anytime I'm enjoying these products, I want to let you know about them. Kind of like my wonderful rug out front. It's rained, it's hailed, it's done all kinds of crazy stuff, but it's a wonderful rug with no issues so far for being outdoors. And that's from RV Guard. So we're on the last 2 minutes here, some potatoes. And so call me crazy, but I love my potatoes, fries, chips, whatever you call it, depending on how they're done and cut, with some Whataburger spicy ketchup and some good old mayonnaise. Couple things I forgot to mention on the lead time 3,000 watt inverter, which is why if you subscribe and watch my videos, you'll get updates of things that I maybe missed. In the back there, the fans are recommended to have 10 inches or more of room to disperse. So, not quite there. Let's see. I've been running this air fryer for various things for about 45 minutes, and the fans have kicked on for like 3 seconds, and then that's it, like 2 times. So we're looking pretty good. So I took out a few on the top layer that got a little crispy, but to me that's perfect. And then these ones still here, a little mushy, I'm going to put back in for another 15 minutes. So I enjoyed the yummy potatoes. Ninja is snoozing at the foot of my bed. Beautiful day out. It's supposed to be a high of 79 degrees. The highest it's going to be all week. And I'm tempted to go out for another outdoor adventure. Even though I got the Jeep all clean, I don't think I'll probably be doing any mud trails like I did before, but I think I'd like to do some exploring and driving.